On concretes up to 4 inches thickness, the HMBox is directly mounted. For concretes thicker than 4 inches, a hole covering the depth of 40% of the total thickness of the concrete has to be drilled first. First, apply the release agent. Apply a thin film of the release agent on the HMBox. This simplifies the later removal of the HMFix adhesive. Apply the HMFix around the ring with a thickness of approximately 3 mm. Afterwards, stick the HMBox to the ground by placing it at the desired location and applying short pressure